Vâng. Vâng, cái máy quay ạ. Guys, I hope you enjoy your trip, guys.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you. And how about you, sir?
Awesome.
And of course, after here, guys, we will check in the whole homestay. We take our stuff to the second floor of the house of the family. We drop everything there and we're changing to get the swimming suit on. And then we go straight to the boat by motorbike. Because the boat plate was about 1 kilometer away. So we're driving to there to the top of the hill and go to the lake. And then we get on a boat to do about an hour trip for swimming and boat trip.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, thank you, my friend.
What
Yeah.
a day.
Thank you.
Hey, it was day one.
Day one, exactly. Yeah, and here we go. Xin chào. How me doom?
Good morning.
Good morning, Vietnam.
Okay.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah. Look at the ladies. Yeah, see the Zhao people living in here. 400 years they live here with the beautiful traditional dress. And this kind of dress, madam, this kind of dress, they make it by hand for about 1 year, ma'am. That marijuana, the hemp.
Đẹp không?
Hemp, exactly, marijuana, the skin of marijuana, and then the weaving them. And look at this thing, ma'am, look at this.
Yes.
Yeah, and look at the tie and the woman tie, it's amazing.
Okay.
Okay, guys, welcome again to Bowling Family Homestay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, great. Hey there. How's your farm, sir?
I cut the rice.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
And you got a string bean garden here.
You awake now?
Of course.
It's nearly tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly.
Big
2 days
sleep.
already.
You're catching up from yesterday's trip.
Yeah. That.
Được một ruộng đỗ rồi.
Okay.
Đỗ đây hôm qua mới ăn đây.
Yeah, that's a string bean we eaten last night. Yeah. Yeah. Very long.
Yeah.
Good.
You tell him thank you very much.
Cảm ơn chú rất nhiều.
Yeah.
Thank you really much.
Bên kia là một hát nứa. Đây là có một hát rượu.
Okay.
Rượu.
He said he got 1 hectare of rice in here,
Yeah.
and including garden and that field. I mean that fish farm. And he got another hill over there that are another 1 hectare of bamboo, palm tree for the roof of the house. I mean the leaf.
The leaf.
And some kind of wood he grow in there. Yeah.
That's his. Một
Yeah.
xào cá.
He's now he got at need about maybe about 1,000 square meter of I mean for the fish farm.
For the fish.
Yeah, good. I love it. Yeah. Okay, so we can come up and of course you want to cut the rice. Something?
done.
Oh, you've done everything. Perfect.
Sang đây lên trên kia tôi chỉ cho đường cây này kia.
Vâng.
Đường cây
Okay, let's go.
Someone's coming. I can hear someone.
Yeah, but we go down a little bit too wet. Stay here, stop! Let's go! Hold on.
Just wait. No. Just 1 minute.
Okay. Please tell her if she feels too difficult, she stop there. I will running down there and get her by to bring it up, to riding up.
How much more of this is there?
Oh, quite a lot. 2 more kilometers.
Oh,
Yeah.
like this?
This one a little bit and then smooth, muddy, good dry mud, and then go up a little bit rock again and down.
Down on this.
Yeah. A little bit on this side. This kind of rock. Maybe difficult for her, huh?
Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I go ahead and I want to come back.
Another 2 Ks. We've got to go up. There's about a K of this, and then where I just came up now is a bit of a rock climb. And then we've got a little bit of flat ground, then another rocky climb, and then downhill in the same sort of shit. So, do we come, hey, Nam, do we come back this way?
No,
We keep going.
keep going to the main road and then go to city.
So it's only a one-way pass. Is there another way around?
Yeah, come back there and do the concrete.